Hi, my name is Wally, and I'd like to introduce a new type of bike rack. It's made specifically for pickup trucks. It's called the WheelWally. It holds one bike. It could be either a 700C road bike or a 26-inch or a 29-inch mountain bike. This is my WheelWally. I've completed the initial installation already, which means I've installed the 3 Velcro straps. I've also installed the 2 toe bolt assemblies. I've drilled the 2 1/4-inch diameter holes in the truck bed, and I've also installed the 2 head bolt assemblies, and also drilled 2 1/4-inch diameter holes to accept the head bolts. So my initial installation is complete. Now I'd like to show you how to install the WheelWally into your truck. The first step is to remove the washers and wing nuts from the head bolt assemblies. Next, you're going to want to insert the toe bolts into the holes in your truck bed. Then you're going to rotate the WheelWally onto the head bolt assemblies, and you'll reinstall the 2 washers and the wing nuts. Okay, you're going to want to tighten down the wing nuts pretty tight, and now your WheelWally is installed in your truck, and we can go ahead and attach the bicycle to the WheelWally. I'm going to go ahead and roll the bike forward and position the wheel flat against the wheel board. I'm going to check to make sure the spokes aren't interfering with the strap locations, and that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the middle strap and the lower strap right now. Okay, so I've installed those 2 straps. Now I'll show you in more detail how the upper strap is attached. First, you're going to withdraw it from the loading slot, and you're going to loop it around the rim and around your tire and through this buckle. And then you're going to position the buckle as far forward as possible, and then secure the Velcro down to itself. Now notice that when the buckle's in the far forward position, you get a lot of contact area here, so you can have a nice connection with the Velcro. Also, you want to have the buckle on this side, because if it touches anything, it might contact the tire a little bit, but that's not going to be a problem. If the buckle's over on this side, it's possible that it could contact the rim, and it could possibly cause damage to your rim. Now the straps are extra long. If you want to fold them back like that, they won't flap in the wind. Or if you always ride the same bike and the strap's too long, you can just trim the end with some scissors. So the WheelWally and the bike are installed. It's real solid front to back. There's a little bit of lateral flex, which is good. And you're ready to go to your riding destination. So why is the WheelWally better than some other types of truck mounted bike racks? Well, first of all, you don't have to remove any wheels on your bike. You don't have to mess around with a bunch of different types of fork mounts like a standard quick release or a 15 QR or a 20 millimeter through axle. And you really don't want to rigidly attach your fork tips to a fork mount anyway, because it's possible it could damage your fork tips. The WheelWally also doesn't make any contact with your frame, so if you're a road biker with a nice carbon fiber frame, it's better really not to have any clamps holding your frame, because it can easily damage your carbon fiber. And then finally, the WheelWally is positioned towards the front of your truck bed, which is a lot better than having your bike in the back of the bed where it tends to bounce around more. Also, having the bike in the front of the bed is good because it means that the tailgate can be operated completely independently of the installed bike. So when you get to your riding destination, it's pretty simple to take your bike out. You're just going to want to release the 3 straps. Then you'll roll your bike out. And then at this point, I like to reinstall the straps in their original loading position. So now you'll be ready for your to load your bike when you're finished with your ride. Also, would recommend that you remove the WheelWally from your truck by removing the 2 wing nuts and the 2 washers. Comes out pretty easily, and then you can store this in the locked cab of your pickup truck. So I hope this explains some of the features of the WheelWally. If you have more questions, you can call me or you can email me. My email address is wally@wheelwally.com. Thanks for watching.